wipe up the water. And then I'm gonna spray you down with bleach. Here.
Yes. Help. You made the mess. Pick it up.
The good thing is, this bathroom has been very, very infrequently used.
Yeah.
And the last time it was used, it was clean like right before that. But it's still a toilet.
Say no.
Don't touch the potty, okay? Don't touch the potty. Lex.
Here, Lexi, get on the wall. Look, you get on the wall. Right over there. Oh, you children. That is icky.
Can you reach that? Can you reach it?
There's water all the way up here.
Look!
Yeah, it's
Yeah,
really
that's-
gross. You know that?
Ah!
Lex, just get it,
I
girl.
found one!
Oh, Lexi.
Clean up, kiddo.
There's that feeling of like, we shouldn't play in the
Oh,
water.
no.
What water are you playing in?
Riggs. Yuck. No.
No, Sissy.
Icky. Oh, icky.
Just drop it now. You're just, yep, there you go. Walk away. Walk away. You guys you need to get bathed in bleach, okay? Here, there's some on the wall. Go get it off the wall. Here.
I'll get it.
No, Scarlett, it's their problem. Go get it off the wall.
You scratch it. Why don't you go throw that away, Scar?
What?
All right, Sissy, come bring that and put it in the trash.
Oopsie.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up. No, don't put that in the toilet. Oh. Go throw it away.
Get the different one. I'm using a sponge. Get the different one.
Throw it away, sis. Go in there and wipe up.
Doing a good job, Lex.
No,
No.
no, not in the potty. No, we don't need it wet.